I don't remember what I'm doing. I don't. See, this is what happens when like, you know, so all right, so I'm doing this whole sleep app thing because I'm not sleeping well. I'm trying to track it so it tells you how much you talk in your sleep and how much you like bite your tongue or whatever it is and snore. So I'm like learning how to deal with that right now. My head's in other places. So I actually just forgot how to use Photoshop, which is interesting.
So how much do you talk in your sleep?
Apparently it's a lot. Yeah, I only sleep for like 3 hours out of the 7, which is funny. Yeah.
You just talk the rest of it?
Yeah, I snore. It tells you everything. It's really, yeah, it's, so I just had a brain fart. Okay, so here we go. All right. As far as the Caddy, so I'm having this one issue and it's only on the trunk where it's like the vinyl wants to lift back. It's in the same spot. I've already redone this twice, which he's perplexed, I'm perplexed because it doesn't do it anywhere else. So he thinks maybe there's a defect in the paint in that spot. I don't know. But he's under full warranty and he's cool. So told him just bring it back so we can take care of it. It's not a big deal, but he's late again because I told him 9:30 and called him. And then I said, you know, you still coming? He says, yeah, I'll be there by 11:30. So it's 11:30. He's not here. Finally, it's here. About to kick this guy in the head. Here's my time lapse of the first 3 hours. I wanted to make sure I took my time on this. So one of my friends came in, Mark. He's gonna help me put this hood on because I told him to. Then you're gonna see another guy sitting down. That's Kenny. He drives an Acura, and just because he came that day and he ended up getting his car wrapped the same color. So this billionaire green is like very, very popular. It's showing up all over the place. Very mature, very sparkly. Yeah, this is what I did. Right here. This is the only corner, and I've already redone this once. It's just very odd that it's only here. Even after edge sealing it, primering it, it still popped up. And I mean, this side's fine. So it's done it both times in that same spot. Very strange, but you know, good customer, good dude. We're gonna go ahead and get it fixed for him. Here's my WTF moment when I find out that the trunk piece is 2 inches too short on each side. So I'm not going to stretch it. Pretty much got to figure out if I'm going to just leave it for today or pretty much have them come back and redo it later. Unfortunately, things like this happen and we try to take care of him as fast as possible. So I'll let him know. He's not a hard guy to please. So I'll just let him know there's not enough. We'll get another piece and go from there. And this is another happy day in the shop. Another thing we got going on this week are these awesome golf cart shells. So this customer, Rob, basically buys used golf carts, repurposes them, and I have the pleasure of wrapping them. So everything tan, whole tail end, nose cone, all get done. This selection actually gets done in this awesome neon yellow. So this is a brand called Hexus, if you guys are familiar with it. So we'll see how they look. And then there's the TSX, which you've probably noticed by now. It's been in like every video I've made. It's kind of a conversation piece now, but it's good that it is. People come in here, they see what can be done, what I can do, what I won't do. But this will be out here this week, finally. We were waiting on some graphics, some other little setbacks. We're over that now. And just pretty much have the door to put on, the front bumper, and waiting for the customer to get a new battery or two, because I think she's got 2 batteries in here.
How long has it been here for?
Oh, too long. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. It's just grown roots. So, but she wants to go to a couple shows, so we're gonna get this all tightened up, and that'll be that. I don't know if you guys are familiar with forged carbon, but that's it. This is a printed 3D style. Obviously it's red. They come in multiple different colors: purple, yellow, orange, blue, green, black, gray, white. That didn't cover all your choices, but you open up these awesome doors and you've got carbon everywhere. Yes, I did all that. So yeah, you can pretty much do your door jambs in any color, any style. She chose this. I think it came out pretty good. And I mean, look at this, dude. I mean, he's got yellowtail in here. Like, okay, we're not sponsoring Amazon today, but I mean, look at this. He's got like neck pillows. I mean, he's got the AC Rapco wine bottle. I mean, yeah, we sponsor quite a few things. You know what I mean? Like, this is just luxury at its finest, and it's just, you know, he knows what he's doing. So yeah, he doesn't need this. He doesn't need it.
And Mark's gonna be your 3rd episode. We'll see more of this.
Yeah, you'll see more of this. And I mean, I have people telling me now, like, oh, you did that green Audi. I'm like, yeah. And, you know, so it's like,
That was perfect.
you know, this is the 2nd wrap I've done for him. So he's very appreciative. But if it's like every car I do for him, the love that he gets it's worth the time and effort put into it. So I can't wait to see what the 3rd car is going to be. I actually know what it is. I just can't tell you. But the 3rd car, that's going to be Boss. And I don't know what color I'm wrapping that one, but that one's straight status car. And I'm pretty sure he's going to have a mattress in the back of that one, because I know how he is. So yeah, you laugh now, but I know you don't want no more kids. Yeah, it's going to be a problem. This one's already a problem. So that's pretty much in a nutshell what we have this week. So I'm trying to wrap up this video, and like I'm getting tongue-tied, twisted, you know what I mean? I mentioned this earlier, like I'm tired. But anyway, so just, you know, thank you for stopping by as usual. Comment about anything you see today or what you think about the Caddy when it gets here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
That was good. I want you to do one more.
Damn.